Okay, this is my 2009 Custom Horror F2 in neon green. I am running on an Alex front rim with GT hubs, a Maxxis M-Tread front tire, new front pegs, they don't make them no more, new front brake Tektro, lizard skin dust cover, 4-piece bars. I don't know what kind, but they're really awesome. And Dance 360 stickers. New rear brake cable, ORYG. Dytech MX-110 brake levers with lizard skin lever covers. Hoffman mushroom neon green grips. Stolen bar ends. They're metal. Really like them. Colt member 25 tooth sprocket. KMC 1/8 size lime green chain. More stickers. Upgraded gas mask seat. It did have one like it, but it was a sticker with a brighter. But this is a finger profile. And 43 hardware cable hanger. 43 hardware valve adjuster. And front brake. On brake. Rear brake pad. And Ardo multi-surface sport rear tire. And I'm thinking about getting custom rims for it. Tell me what you think, if I should or shouldn't.